Okay. So, these things are pretty cool, but I will say sometimes you get ones that don't listen, but I have a nickname for those. They're called Cody Drones.
Guess my last name's Jones.
Yeah, and you don't listen.
I don't listen.
Yeah. All right, you may recognize this first one. It's got to be a good little starter. Shout it out when you see it. Yeah. Nice little warm-up. Get everybody ready. Drones, activate next sequence. Little red, white, blue. Had a great fire performance, by the way. Yeah. Music adds a lot. Drones, activate next sequence. Alright, so I thought, what would be really neat is if we could tie in a trick shot somehow into the drone performance, okay? Yeah, you may see what's happening here. There's the football. It gets kicked. It looks good. It could be good. It's headed to the middle of the uprights. Chiefs win, baby! One. They needed that. Yeah. No. Of course, Pandemonium Tour would not be complete without our good buddy Panda. He's been great. He did kind of demand that we name the tour after him, which was a little... Oh, hey, cancel Terminator mode. Cancel Terminator mode.
Oh, here's foreshadowing something later.
It chases people down. It's crazy. Yeah. Anyways, Kansas City, I would appreciate your cool. Thank you.